Hi, boys and girls. Today for science, we are going to talk about how we get ready for winter. And so I thought that we would read a book about winter. And I know it might be a little silly to be reading a book about winter when we're in spring, but let's just read a book about winter and kind of refresh our memory about some of the things that happen during winter. Winter is the season that comes after fall. Winter is different all around the world. Some places are very cold in winter, but other places can be hot. In cold places, the air is frosty. You can see your breath. The ground freezes. Lakes and ponds freeze too. Snow falls when the air is cold. The snow lands on the ground. Look how it can pile up. Winter can bring a blizzard, heavy snowfalls. Icy wind blows the snow around. It is hard to see in a blizzard. The sun is low in the sky in winter. Shadows are long. There is not much daylight in winter. It gets dark before dinner time. Plants stop growing in winter. Some trees lose their leaves. Deer eat small twigs from trees and shrubs. Squirrels eat the nuts they hide in fall. Some animals grow thicker fur to keep them warm. Sometimes the fur even changes color to match the snow. Some animals sleep through the winter. Bats sleep close together in caves. Mice sleep in burrows. Snakes and turtles sleep deep underground. It is fun to play outside in winter. Put on your coat, boots, hat, and mittens. The winter snow is good for sledding, skiing, and making snow people. At the end of winter, the air feels warmer. Snow starts to melt. Icicles go drip, drip, drip. Spring is almost here. And that is the end of our book. And so what I'm going to show you now is the activity that you will be doing for science. So you are going to turn to activity sheet 1, and it's called Getting Ready for Winter. So you are going to circle each picture that shows something needed in winter. Then you're going to do this next activity sheet, How I Get Ready for Winter. You're going to draw a picture of something you or your family does to get ready for winter and write a sentence about it. And so something that I do to get ready for winter is I take out all of my winter clothes and put them back in my closet. So I take out all of my sweaters. I take out my Ugg boots that I love to wear in the winter and my hat and mittens, and I put it in the closet because usually I stick them in the attic during spring and summer. That's actually where my winter clothes are in now. They're up in the attic because I don't need to wear them anymore. And so that's something that I do. So I might draw a picture of me getting all of my clothes from the attic. And then I would write, I get ready for winter by getting my clothes ready for winter, like my sweaters, hats, my mittens, my boots. And so now you're going to think of what you or your family does to get ready for winter. Draw a picture and then write about it. All right, first graders, let's get to work.